Welcome. This video will guide you through adding a TikTok pixel to your Wix website for effective event and conversion tracking. The TikTok pixel is a JavaScript code that tracks user interactions on your website, sending data back to TikTok ads. This allows for retargeting, audience building, and campaign optimization. With the TikTok pixel and your Wix website working together, you can unlock many marketing opportunities. Before we begin, let's define some key terms that form the foundation of the TikTok pixel. The pixel ID is your unique identifier, such as C12345678890, that links your website directly to your TikTok ads account, allowing for precise tracking and attribution. The base code is the core JavaScript script that gets installed across your entire website, enabling tracking of every page visit and user interaction. Events are the specific user actions you want to track, such as adding items to a cart with Add to Cart or completing a registration with Complete Registration. These help measure engagement on your site. Conversions are the events that matter most to your business, like completing a purchase or signing up for a newsletter, directly linked to your goals and measurable outcomes. The TikTok pixel is specifically tailored for TikTok's unique short-form video ecosystem, emphasizing viral content creation and engagement with micro-influencers to drive targeted conversions. First, log in to your TikTok Ads Manager account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Navigate to the Assets section and then select Events. Click on Web Events, then click on Create Pixel. Choose a name for your pixel and select Manually Install Pixel Code. You will then see your unique pixel ID displayed. Copy this ID, as you'll need it in the next step. Choose the standard mode to set up events. Now, head over to your Wix website editor dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your site settings and integrations. In the dashboard, click on Settings, then select Advanced and choose Custom Code. This section allows you to add custom scripts to your site. In the Custom Code section, you'll see options to add code to different parts of your site. We need to focus on the Head section for the TikTok pixel. Under Head, paste your TikTok pixel base code. This code includes your unique pixel ID and ensures the tracking script loads on every page of your website. Make sure to select all pages so it applies site-wide. The Head section is crucial because code placed here loads before the page content, allowing the pixel to track user interactions from the moment the page starts loading. To verify your setup, you can use TikTok's Pixel Helper browser extension. It will confirm that your base code is firing correctly on your site. Finally, make sure to save your changes in the Wix editor. This will apply the TikTok pixel to your entire website, enabling tracking across all pages. To track specific actions like add to cart or purchase, you'll need to set up standard events. TikTok provides event code snippets that you can add to relevant pages. For example, use the purchase event code on your order confirmation page to track completed purchases. Use Wix Velo to trigger events by specific actions on your site. Use the Event Builder tool in the TikTok Ads Manager to visually set up and test events. For more advanced tracking, use Wix Velo to trigger events dynamically. For example, you can trigger an event when a user clicks a specific button or submits a form. Use the Wix window.onReady function to ensure the pixel is loaded before triggering events. This allows you to track custom events tailored to your specific website interactions. After installing the TikTok pixel on your Wix website, testing is essential to ensure accurate data collection and effective ad performance. Start by using TikTok's Pixel Helper browser extension to verify that your pixel is firing correctly and events are being tracked properly. Next, check your browser's developer console for any JavaScript errors that might prevent the pixel from loading. Open the console using F12 or right-click Inspect and look for error messages related to the TikTok pixel code. Common issues include syntax errors or conflicts with other scripts. Ensure that ad blockers aren't interfering with your pixel. Many browsers have built-in ad blockers or extensions that can block tracking scripts. In the ad block extension options, you can pause blocking on your site to allow the pixel to function properly. Test without ad blockers enabled to confirm. If you experience delays in pixel firing, especially on mobile browsers, consider implementing server-side tracking. This method sends data directly from your server to TikTok's servers, bypassing browser restrictions and improving reliability. Server-side tracking also enhances privacy compliance and provides more accurate attribution. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven automation to simplify event setup. TikTok's Smart Pixel uses AI to infer events from user behavior, reducing manual setup time significantly. Integration with TikTok Shop and Wix stores will provide seamless e-commerce tracking, boosting conversions through automated performance monitoring. Prioritize privacy-first tracking to comply with evolving regulations, using server-side methods and consent management for better data protection. Experts emphasize the Pixel's strategic value for performance marketing, essential for creators and brands aiming for viral growth. Remember to stay updated with TikTok's and Wix's latest features and best practices.